Welcome back, student. Good morning. Today we are going to start for learning the remaining part of the lesson number 14. Now, can you tell which element helps for combustion? Oxygen. As you know that oxygen helps for combustion. Does the water help for combustion? Water is formed by the combination of hydrogen and oxygen, but it does not help for combustion. Now it is used for extinguish a fire. How does water help for combustion? It is help for combustion for extinguishing fire. Now hydrogen is a combustible substance, that is it burns, but oxygen help for combustion. But water, which is formed by the combination of hydrogen and oxygen, is used for extinguishing fire. In other words, these are the properties of the compound are different from those of the constituent elements. Like an element, a compound is also written in a bridge form. A molecule of a compound is formed by a chemical combination of atoms of two or more elements. Therefore, a molecular formula is used to present a compound. A molecular formula of a compound is a short form of its name, written with the help of symbols of constituent of elements and the number of their respective atoms. Now, collect the information and prepare a table. Now, constituent of elements and their molecular formula of various compounds such as salt, alum, blue vitriol, aluminum chloride, baking soda, chalk and washing soda. We should have to prepare a table by collecting the information of the compound. These are various examples of the compounds. Here, water. First example given water. Second is the aluminum. Here we should have to find the constituent of element. Now, second, symbol and number of atoms. Third, molecular formula. How to write this compound in the molecular formula, and in the last column, characteristics. Now, first of all, we will start from water. Constituent of element of the water. Here, hydrogen and oxygen. Symbol and number of atoms. 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. Molecular formula H2O. Like previously we had learned. Now, characteristic. It is a compound, it is a liquid and help in extinguishing fire. Now, in this way you have to find out the rest of the compounds, their molecular formula, symbols. Second one, I will tell you, aluminum chloride. Here, nitrogen 1 atom, hydrogen 4 atom, chlorine 1 atom. Molecular formula for ammonium chloride is NH4Cl. It is used in the fertilizer and flavoring the agents. Now, alum. As you know that alum is used for cleaning the water. Here, constituent of elements, hydrated potassium aluminum sulfate. Potassium K1 atom, aluminum 1 atom, sulfur 2 atom, hydrogen 24 atoms and oxygen 20 atoms. Now, its molecular formula KAlSO4 twice 12 H2O. Now, it is soluble in water and used to purify the water. Now, previously I told alum is used for purification of water. As per you know that washing soda or soda ash. Sodium carbonate. Here, sodium 2 atoms, carbon 1 atom and oxygen 3 atoms. Its molecular formula Na2CO3. Now it can be used to remove the stain from the clothes. In this way, these are the various types of compounds and the constituent element which are present in that compound, their symbols, their molecular formula and characteristics. Here you have to prepare this table in your notebook. I will send on the group for writing. Is that clear? Now mixture. We will see the next part of this lesson. Now which lesson? Yes, elements, compounds and mixture. This is the last topic of this lesson, mixture. Now they told here, prepare a sharbat, prepare a bhel. Did you taste the original ingredient change due to above processes? Means when you prepare the sharbat or when you prepare the bhel, the original taste means each individual substance taste is different when it is an individual. But when it comes and mixed together, when a mixture is formed by mixing of this different material, then its taste is not remain the original. Is that clear? That's why the definition for the mixture. Mixture is formed by mixing of different elements or compounds. Here, the proportion of various components in the mixture is not fixed. No chemical change takes place during this formation of mixture and no new substance is formed. Suppose, for example, air and brass. What are the mixture used in the day-to-day life? Which type of mixtures we are used in our day-to-day life? Oil and water, lemon juice, sarbat, bhel, honey, tea, milk and chocolate, coffee and cream, salt and water, smoke and fog in the air, oxygen and nitrogen, salad, milk. In this way, the various types of examples that you know that will come in front of us. Are all the mixture useful to us? No. Adulterated foodstuff is also a kind of mixture. It is not useful. It is harmful because when unwanted and harmful substances is mixed with another substance, this resulting mixture is no longer remain useful. Then how will you separate each component from the mixture of selenium, salt and iron fillings? Now, if a magnet, you know that magnet? Yes, various uses of magnet previously you had learned in a previous class. If a magnet is moved around this mixture of iron filling, will stuck to the magnet and remove them. Add water to remain in mixture. All salt will dissolve and then filter through the filter paper. Salmonella will settle in the filter paper and the filtrate will be salt water, and salt can be separated by evaporation or distillation. In this way, there are various methods we can use for separating the mixture. Now, you might remember the mixing unwanted substances in any foodstuff is called adulteration. Again, previously we had learned. In another word, adulterated food is also a kind of mixture. Now, when an unwanted harmful substance is mixed with another substance, the resulting mixture is no longer remain useful in such a way that we can separate the unwanted mixture ingredients from the mixture. For example, simple and easy methods such as straining, filtering, shifting, picking, sorting, winnowing, combining with the magnet and sublimation processes are used. Which ingredient from these mixtures could be separated by using this method? We have to learn about this property of matter and its effect of heat. Now, these properties are also used for separating the components of the various types of mixtures. Now, as per you will get to see, observe and discuss. These are the some methods of separating components of the mixture. Now, winnowing, shifting, straining, picking, sorting, combining with the magnet, as well as here the straining, yes, churning of the milk, separate the butter and buttermilk. In this way, these are the some methods that you know to separating the mixture from the separating the components of a mixture.